1, 2, 3, 4. Hey everyone, Tony Winston. I'm doing this for a friend just here at the last minute, and it's on this song, Fantasy in D, Ugetsu by Cedar, Walton. And we're talking about the turnaround here, the last couple of measures. So it's kind of a typical turnaround. It's kind of the Satin Doll turnaround where it goes... right? And that's an A minor to D, A flat minor to D flat, and then that gets you to C, because D flat seventh is like a tritone away from G7. G7 takes you to C, D flat 7 takes you to C. And it's the same thing over here in this great Cedar Walton tune. We've got B minor to E, B flat minor to E flat, and that's a tritone away from A, so it takes you to the D major at the beginning of the song. That's where it's going, D major. Now to improvise over this, and I'm not even sure what the person who requested this, if they play piano or a different instrument, but on piano, just a simple way to do the last line, you got the B minor, all right, so 1 to 2, da, 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 da. And then if you're playing the head of the song, I would do these little chords and just take dominant, root third and seventh, and just take it down chromatically and play the melody. Right? That's right there at the beginning, the top line that you can see right there. You see it goes C sharp. I wish I could put my finger up there and just do it, but I've got this little pen here. I'm talking about this chord right here. Gets okay? And the turnaround, can we get it all in the same shot? Not really. So the last line, now if you're just thinking about you're in the key of D, on the B minor, you can even, you keep that F sharp in there for the C major, and then B minor to E7. So still just thinking mostly in the key of D, and then I kind of side slip, go down to D flat for a second, and then right back to D, right, and that's the turnaround. So from B minor, I'm thinking in D, now I'm thinking a half step away from that, like key of D flat. I didn't want to end on the root like that. Something like that. And you can just explore the scales and try to see what sounds best. See, that was a pretty nice line. I might go over that 2 or 3 times, get my fingers used to it. Or just even doing something simple like something like that. B minor, C, all right, I'll put a link to the sheet music down in the description. I found it for free online. The internet's a wonderful thing. Thank you all for tuning in. Be back with you shortly.